Hey guys, I'm back with another phonics lesson. We've gotten so much better at sharing and learning from and fixing our writing bloopers, but I was thinking about what about our reading bloopers? We can also share and learn from the bloopers or mistakes that we make in reading. And we can stop and think about and ask ourselves, what sort of mess ups am I making over and over? And then how can I figure out how to fix them? So what do you do when you feel bad about not knowing a word? Sometimes we feel bad that we don't know a word and we're a little embarrassed. Do you mumble? Do you skip over the word? Do you just guess the word? The problem with all of those things is then you can't understand or really enjoy the book. You miss important things in the book when you skip over words, or you don't really know what the word is saying. We all make bloopers. We all make mistakes. That's part of our growth mindset. Remember, we all make mistakes, and it's okay to make mistakes, and you shouldn't feel bad. We just learn from them. So we need to share and think about our bloopers that we make in reading and how we can fix those. So the first thing that you always have to do is stop when there is trouble. Remember, we learned that in class. Stop when there is trouble. When you come to a tricky word that you don't know, you need to stop. Now, I'm going to model this little passage in the book, Henry and Mudge and the Bedtime Thumps, and you tell me which way is better. So the first way, and before too long, Mudge knocked a pink flamingo off a table. "Oh, Mudge," Henry said. That was the first way. And now the second way. And before too long, Mudge, this next word is hard. What can I do to figure it out? Maybe I can break it into parts and then put the parts together. And here's the word that I'm having trouble with. Id. Well, you know what? I know that sometimes K and N just says the N sound like the word no. I know in my brain. So knock. Oh, knock. Id. Knocked. But ED sometimes it makes the T sound. Oct. Knocked. I can crash the parts together. Knocked. Oh, now let me go back and see if that makes sense. And before too long, Mudge knocked a pink flamingo off a table. "Oh, Mudge," Henry said. So which way was better? The first way when I just mumbled through the word, or the second way when I stopped and tried some of my tools to figure out what the word was? I think all of you know that the second way was better. It's not fun reading when you don't know what's happening in the story or what a word is. So the first thing I have for you to do is this story called The Vulture. I just want you to read this story, and when you come to a tricky word, make sure you stop and use all the tools that we've learned. Remember, those charts of the tools are under Reading Tools on the in the Google Classroom. So you can always print them out and have them next to you. But read the story, The Vulture, and just, some of you might not come to any tricky words, but if you do come to a tricky word, try to use the tools to figure it out. And then the last thing I had for you to do is there's a little recording of a first grade child reading, and I have the text for you of what she is saying on the recording, and I want you to use the uncorrected text. And when she's reading, I want you to circle all the words that she made bloopers on. There's 4 words. See if you can find all 4 words that she made bloopers on. And you can circle them on the paper that says uncorrected text. And then that's what I want you to send me a picture of. I also have the one that says corrected text, but don't look at that until after you see if you can find all the words by yourself. After you circle the words on the uncorrected text, see if you can write the word that she should have said when she was reading. What should she have said? See if you can write the word above the blooper that you circled before you check your answers, okay? Send me a picture of the uncorrected text that you circled, okay? I'll see you next time.